Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? Another episode of Toy Hunt. Kuya, meron ba kayong gantong Gundam? December 25, Toy Town Festival Mall. Let's check it out. Ayan, so this is again the stocks for December 25 of 2025. Toy Town Festival Mall. From low tier to mid and high tier, nandito na yung lahat. And check nyo na lang mabuti yung video from like start to finish kasi it's something that you can use to check kung nandyan ba yung trip nyo para di na kayo mag-aksay ng pamasahe pumunta sa mall din, wala naman pala. Pero disclaimer lang, I don't know how long the stocks will last kasi like syempre Pasko ngayon and Christmas season kumbaga, and medyo maluwag yung wallet ng mga tao ngayon, lalo na yung mga bata, di ba, nakapamasko sila, so hindi natin sure kung gaano katagal yung mga stocks na yan na nandyan. So better not, once you saw this, pinopost ko rin naman yan sa social media platform ko and nakalagay din naman dun yung like details, so better go there, grab na para ma-sure natin yung stocks. So this is again the stocks December 25 of 2025 Toy Town Festival Mall. So panoorin nyo na lang yung video, then comment down below kung may gusto kayong hanapin na Gundam, baka madaanan ko kung saan man para madagdag natin sa mga video na susunod pa. And if you have something in mind to improve the quality of my videos, comment down below. So ito na yung full video ng stocks ng mga Gundam. Panoorin nyo na.